Across small towns and crowded cities, ordinary people chase a single flame called motivation and turn it into lasting success. In a late-night workshop, a waitress masters a code of discipline, stacking tiny wins until confidence becomes momentum. A young coder facing doubt writes lines of effort day after day, learning from failures and redefining what is possible. A nurse volunteers weekends, then builds a community program that heals hearts and gives others a map to ambition. Their stories stay not in fame but in consistent choices, proving that steady courage writes the path to triumph.